You can make money like this, make money like this, and like this. All you have to do is simply copy and paste. And no, you don't have to make any videos. You think I'm lying? Don't worry about it. This is YouTube Shorts, and I am going to show you how to do this step by step. Why YouTube Shorts? Because YouTube wants Shorts to blow up. They're trying to compete with all the videos from TikTok and Instagram Reels. So of course, they're video. So they want their short-term videos to be way bigger than everything else. So they're actually, right now, they are pushing, and this is 2022 right now, they are pushing and pushing more and more for creators to do more shorts. They're even talking about putting in more money for monetization for the shorts video channels. And as far as monetization goes, I'm gonna show you how you can make extra money. I mean, you need to be making some money until your YouTube channel for shorts blows up, right? Right. Guys, I'm gonna show you how to do this for free and without having to show your face or hear your voice. Check this channel out, guys. I'm not gonna say I can't pronounce it, but he has 11.7 subscribers. Now, most of these is just him and it's talking about digging and stuff like that. But I mean, he's raking in some money and his videos, I mean, million are doing really, really well. Look at this one. I like the title, Subscribe for Shorts. ZHC Shorts. I mean, they had several different people. They're probably inputting from other videos and stuff, but this channel is still doing great. Look at this, guys. Another one, 2.8 million. I mean, shorts is really exploding right now. Here's another one. I like this one. Let me show you the ways of the world. I mean, this is all kinds of different stuff and people, and it's really, really cool. 1.2 views. And the money is here, guys, 2.9 million. I mean, this kind of money is what they're making, and this isn't even the monetization that I'm talking about, but you get this just for doing it, just for creating the content. All right, friends, before we get into the meat and potatoes, do me a favor, subscribe to this channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, ring that notification bell. That way, when I come up with all of these totally cool money-making ideas, then you're gonna be notified and you're not gonna miss out on anything. All right, you ready? Let's get into it. Okay, we're gonna first look at TikTok because it is the obvious, okay? TikTok is like one of the most popular for short videos. And I mean, this is why, look at this one, 15.6, wow. 182 Disney stuff. You could have like a Disney Shorts channel. You could have a makeup idea. You don't have to, but it's best if you could just kind of stick with one niche and have like your shorts channel all kind of around the same thing. But you don't have to. It could be like funny things. Okay, well, you know what? I just came up with that with my own mind. We could come up, you know, you make cups. I have a friend of mine that makes these. These are really cool. I need to show her that. That's neat. So, like, this reminds me of something of Disney. So you could put that like on a Disney channel or something. And, you know, I use TikTok for inspiration. Dancing. TikTok's known for dancing. I'll do dancing too. It's usually just when I want to have some fun. Cooking. And, you know, you could do bits and pieces of videos too. It doesn't have to be all from one video. And I'm going to show you how to do that. But if you listen to me, I mean, you definitely can make $2,100 a month with YouTube Shorts and not make the video, guys. Let's look up funny videos. Oh my gosh, see, 34 million, guys. 34 million. He's cute. I love the animal ones though. Usually the babies and the animal ones are so funny. I like this one. This is funny. Okay, no, when you're actually ready to use the video, because this is funny. I like this, so let's use this. what you would do is you would simply copy the link. Okay, then you're going to go to snaptick.app. And you can also use this on your phone. And then you just do download. Over here where you have server 1 and 2, click download. Okay, my download folder. Save. And then at that point, you literally can just, because it doesn't have the TikTok logo on it, so then you literally can just upload it to YouTube Shorts. But if you wanted to do something different before I show you how to do that, you can always go to canva.com. Hey, do me a favor. If you're liking this video, put an emoji of a smiley face in the comments. But if you don't like it, you can put like a horrible hate face. But please don't do that. Ready? Okay. Kidding. Okay. So we have this one. Now, let's get into it. File, click on uploads. Okay, go upload your media. Okay, now we have the video. Take and drag it over here. Okay, now you can leave it just like this. See how it has the cool little background? It makes it kind of different. And don't forget, you need to give credit to the owner. So make sure you give credit to the people that actually have the videos, especially if you completely use their full video. Also, what you can do is if you click up here, because they're in like the clips. Before, there, okay. You can just leave it just like that and then just download this, save it to your computer, and then we're gonna upload it to YouTube Shorts. Now, before I show you that, I wanted to show you more areas because you might find more videos on one platform than the other, or one, like if you're doing the funny thing we're going with, we might have more funny people on Instagram, and then TikTok had the more animals. So you can also go to Instagram because Instagram has what they call Reels. And you can also get videos off of Shorts themselves that's on YouTube. And see, here's my videos. I don't really post too much. Reels. I don't even post that much on TikTok. I need to start again. But see, like someone could take, like mine's marketing. And say someone wants to do, you know, this is how you market. They could go and take my video and, you know, like this is an example of marketing, or take like a bits and pieces of mine and have other marketers too and be like, you know, this is marketing people or whatever. Just an example. See, I took a clip, this is Rachel Peterson, of hers and added it to mine. Another one that most people do not think about is Pinterest. I use Pinterest for inspiration. It gives me ideas for a lot of stuff. I don't really post on it, but man, can I use some of the stuff on it, and you can too. So here's their videos, and I just searched for funny videos. So, his horse, the baby. Oh. Okay, sorry guys. Okay, say you liked this video and you're on Pinterest, okay? Because a lot of people don't know about Pinterest. So if you were to copy the link at the very top and then take that link, and if you go to expertstool.com. So I'm going to say that one more time, okay? Expertstool, STOOL.com. Okay, yeah. And then simply right here, paste, download. That's it. I wanted to show you another idea you could do too. So you can also, I took clips from my YouTube full videos, and like this is one and this is one, and I did it like this and added it to TikTok. And it's just clips from a full video. This is the very first one I did. But I just wanted to show you this because this is another idea. And I actually took it from a full YouTube video, and I just took bits and pieces of it and changed the size to fit TikTok, which is going to be the same size for Shorts. Then when you're on YouTube, you actually want to upload the video. Now, I do have a video telling you exactly how to create a YouTube channel. It's more specifically towards affiliate marketers, but it's the same thing for anyone that wants to create a YouTube channel, and I'll put the link up in the top. Okay, so say this is your channel. If you click this button right here, upload video. All right, once you have it uploaded, you want to create a really cool title, like dog moment or something like that. I don't know. And you can also, I wonder if this is a good title. So if you want to go even deeper, if you search for that on YouTube, and you need to download vidIQ and you need to download TubeBuddy. They're both free, and I have a link for both of them down in the description. So you're gonna want those. But one good thing is to see is, and I like each one of them for different reasons. So when it comes to searching to see if a title and stuff is good, vidIQ is the best. Like, it is the bomb. And so that's 25. And the volume, you really want this 40 and above, and you want this at least over here. So, you know, funniest dog moment that you can imagine. And I don't do this. I make money online. I'm like, ooh, I could pop them up from my head. Okay, but that's a better one. It's 42. And long tail keywords is like, you can make this even longer and think of some more stuff. Sometimes I'll just put the year on it, and that helps too. That did not help. Don't put the year. But anyways, so that's just an example how you could search for the title. And then you can also scroll down here and see TubeBuddy. Like it says, like overall, that would be a good search. But if you want to check, sorry, my cat. Hey, he matches me. He's black and white. I'm black and white. And he's like 22 pounds. So he's in the way. Okay, click here. And I want to show you something. Okay, this is on my channel. That's Make Money Online. And my YouTube coach taught me this. This is why searching for keywords and titles and all that stuff is always the best in TubeBuddy. But TubeBuddy is best for other stuff. I'll show you. But it's like, that's $15. That's pretty good. That's pretty decent. But my channels Make Money Online. That should be like way over here. It's like a dog, funny stuff. Really, come on. Anyways. Okay, the next thing is you just want like a little bitty description. And give me just a minute. I'm going to tell you how to make some more money off of this. So, and then you come down here, and since this is shorts, I mean, just choose this. You don't necessarily need a thumbnail. When they're on the phone, like scrolling through the phone, which 90% of people are on their phone, it doesn't show it anyways. If you start doing a whole bunch of videos, you can create a playlist. But what I want to show you is the tags. And see, with the more tags you get, the more it's going to show it to more and more people. So what you do is, okay, TubeBuddy is awesome for tags. So on here, like it's telling us the relevance. It can tell us by the keyword score. I usually do the keyword score. And Make Money Online. Well, that's okay. It's used to me. But a lot of this stuff here, and then you can use these tags. And what you can also do is you can use the video that you actually got that off of, or funny dog videos, because these are just tags. So you could find another video that, oh my gosh, 1.3 million, 3.2 million, and click on it. And if you scroll down, once you have these installed, then it'll show you the video tags. So what then you can do, you can literally just copy the few of these that you like, or you can literally just click this button, copy those tags, right click, paste, and they're your tags. And you can always go through them, and like if there's funny cats, I mean, it's not a cat, it's a dog, and close these out, and then you can always add some more down here. And always, whatever your title is, make sure that you put it in the tags and the description. So you would want to copy here, and you'd want to copy here, and then you would want to copy here. Got it? Got it? Now let me show you how to make some money off of it. Even more money than when you're gonna be monetized. Okay, you're gonna go to clickbank.com and then you're gonna click on Marketplace. And what I did is I just searched for dog. And then you just scroll through here and think, what would be something good to sell that, you know, someone might like, you know, that has a dog. And I like this brain training for dogs, unique dog training course. So if you click on promote, generate the hop link, and then you'll take this link. Then you can take this link and you can take it and put it directly in the description. Or if you want it to look neater, you can go to bit.ly.com, click on create, paste it, and right here you can put dog. I was trying to think of something that nobody else had, and then save. And then this right here, you would just take this link and then on the channel, okay, this is what most people don't do. You definitely want to put it in the description, okay? But what most people don't tell you is when you're on the phone and you see the description and stuff like that, it's actually really hard to get to it on Shorts. So I advise you to do it as a comment. So in the comments, the first one is you can put it in the comments, and then there's 3 dots, and you can pin it to make sure that it's going to actually stay there. But that way they can actually see it, and they're going to click on it, and you're going to make some money. All right, guys. I hope you liked the video. I gave away like some really cool tips of mine, and if you did, give me a thumbs up. Just because, you know, you love me and it helps the algorithm and all of that kind of stuff. But you know what? I think that is a really cool way to make money online. I mean, I think YouTube is my favorite place. So of course I'm gonna be like, yeah, go for it. And Shorts, yay. And my coach told me that you should either have a channel that's full videos or a channel that is just Shorts. So that's some little advice for you there too. So if you're thinking about combining them, I don't know, he says not to, and he's like a major guy. So, but, you know, I actually have an easier way because it does take time to build the channel up. And even though you have your affiliate marketing there, which you're still going to make some money, it's still going to be a little bit longer. And if you want a faster method, then I suggest that you do what I do. And then that way, it is less work. But it's not like you can just push a button and boom, money's going to come flying in. Nothing works that way. And I'm always upfront and honest. Okay? If you click the first link in the bio, I'm going to help you. And you can create your own business. It'll help you be able to work on a beach, go on vacation. I made money the other night. I had a ding on my phone and I was like, oh, I just made some money. I was like, oh, I was annoyed by it. If you want to do the same thing, then you want to click the link in the bio because it is the easiest and the best way to get started making money online. And you know what? It's not like you're by yourself because you have me. You get a free coach. You get all kinds of free stuff with it because the owner of this challenge, it's a 15-day challenge, and the owner wants to help you as well. So he's willing to give tons of stuff away for you because you're probably going to think, oh my gosh, this, what? Why would he do all of this for free? Because he wants to help you. And to get started, it's actually cheaper than the price of a Starbucks coffee. So it's totally, totally worth it. And you're probably thinking that it's just too much stuff that you get free with it. It's legit, I promise. It's what I've got started for tons of people, and they're making 6 figures now. And if you listen to what I'm saying, you can too. All right, guys, I have to go. So I hope you liked this video. And guess what? It doesn't have to end now. If you want, just stay with me and watch the next video. Because I have the strangest feeling that if you like this video, you're going to like the next one that I put up. And guess what? I'm in it as well. So I'll see you there.